Thank you so much. This is Deeper Jamaica TV breaking news. Deeper Jamaica TV can now confirm through the Gleaner that Audrey Marks has denied that she proposed the US deportation deal. Let me say that again. Deeper Jamaica can confirm through the Gleaner that Audrey Marks denies that she proposed the UK deportation deal. Something all right here, so.
I wonder how we are going. Something all right? Something all right, yeah?
So. Me just give them cool and deadly, you know. Cool and deadly, you know. Why would she come out and say this when there is evidence through? There is evidence. Let me find the evidence. Because some of them people are brazen, you know, man. Some of these people are just so brazen. Make I find the evidence. The amount of things are happening at the country. One time. These people have, them for easy, you know. I have it, Jamaica. I will find it. I have it, Jamaica. I will find it. There is a note. There is a note, a diplomatic note. All right, I found it, Jamaica. I found it, Jamaica. Who remember this diplomatic note? A diplomatic note from the United States Embassy in Kingston has stated that the cabinet minister proposed a controversial deal. Instanani, big up yourself. Controversial deal to Washington that would have had Jamaica receive up to 10,000 third country nationals. The note sent to the Jamaica government said that former ambassador to the US and minister without portfolio in the office of the Prime Minister with responsibility for efficiency, innovation, and digital transformation, Audrey Marks made the proposal. What a lie. What a lie. Are you now saying that a government to which owes us no obligation is lying on you? You're saying that the embassy and the government of the United States, Audrey Marks, are telling lie on you? What do they have to gain from telling lie on you? Audrey Marks, I am inviting you to come on this program to clear the air. Audrey Marks, if somebody tell lie on you, come and clear the air. You tell Gleaner, come tell Deeper Jamaica TV too. Come tell Deeper Jamaica TV. Big up yourself, Faith Senior. Come tell Deeper Jamaica TV, because why would you come out to deny that you never proposed the deal? So if you never proposed it, who did? Hello, Fruits, how are you? Why would you come out like this to say that you didn't propose the deal? Colleen James, you said it. This TCN program thing is getting deeper. Deeper Jamaica News can in fact confirm that Audrey Marks is denying. She had denied it. She is denying it. But even though she had denied the deep divers, here is, look at this. A diplomatic note from the United States Embassy who is lying. Who do you believe? I'm opening the phone lines quickly. Quickly. I'm opening the phone lines very quickly. Tell me, only just call me and tell me who you believe. Let me put up the number. I have a new number for the channel, but I don't launch it yet. Who do you believe? Me, I am going to say that is the person with less to lose. I am going to believe. The Americans have nothing to lose. Why would they lie? They don't need to. Who do you believe? Type in the chat and tell me. You believe Audrey? Sharon says, Sharon, you believe Audrey or Andrew? Who do you believe? Benita say, this is like a crime thriller movie. So much cover up. Big up yourself, Skip. Talk to me.
Yeah, man, Ishmael. Me ask the thing
Mm-hmm.
is it a fact where no we can say the US is putting out a lot of propaganda on Jamaica and its PCN agreement, forcing the Jamaican government to sign or to come out and to be bringing all of these misinformation to the people. Because remember, Andrew Holness campaign a good while about misinformation to the reach to a
Mm-hmm.
fact where
Mm-hmm.
Abka himself and Wheatley
Mm-hmm.
is there trying to get the bill passed to block social media users from bringing out the information that is resoluting to the people,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So, me I try to know now if Audrey Marks would have really put and jeopardize our business where she just reclaimed back.
Yeah,
If seriously,
yeah. She has so much to lose.
I
Why?
know.
Yeah, and you know, to be honest with you, skip, to be honest with you, me, I'm of the opinion. You see, if she just continue to keep her mouth quiet, if you just keep her mouth quiet
Yeah,
and make her
because it's
beat her
going
same way,
to the trade
at least would
industry.
have at least an ounce of respect for her. She woman come out and double down, say and a sheet her at it. She no easy.
Exactly, exactly. And this is the thing where Andrew seems to have his way more with these ministers to let them taint it themselves.
Yes. I
And,
agree with you.
and right, so what I think, but it still bring back a question to mind. Why is that he's not highlighting or promoting Delana Steve Wright as much? Because Delana Steve Wright seems like he's the only one who is like looking out for his party
Yeah,
instead of the government.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
because everybody is saying to themselves. We see where Marley and Malawoo Ford trying to excuse herself from that circle or that kind of governance. But she's still chopped because she's tainted also.
Hey,
So
skip, you're onto something, man.
going,
You're onto something.
when are these people going to stop? Right now, nobody in a G2K can be the face of the JLP. Because none of them have no face
Yeah.
over Israel Douglas. And none of them have no face over
Mm.
Perry Cummings Jr.
Big of yourself,
As
man. Big of
young
yourself.
leaders. And none of them
Yeah.
have the face. What even the mention Andre Steve.
In- I mean, you're not for
We should
mention,
have
nobody at all. Because none of them can walk in on our shoes. A joke of them. Joke of
as
them.
young leaders, as young people, we're presently today there are so many mamas and
Yeah.
so many grandfathers so proud of right now. So me
Yeah.
I say, what happened to them people we go through the bar
Yeah.
and themselves diseducated to be, this tainted and distasteful to the people.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Big up
You have to
yourself in
stop
this.
it.
Big up yourself in the
Stop it.
skip. Really appreciate your take.
Yeah,
Yeah, man. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Deeper Jamaica TV News. You see, when you continue to lie, you have to lie again. And you have to lie again. This is getting deeper. This lie is getting deep and it has become too much now. Somebody has something to lose for her to come out and say this. For her to come out and say this, somebody has something to lose. Shock shame, you can call back. Shock shame, call me back. Somebody has something to lose. I can promise you that. Somebody has something to lose. Thank you so much. Wagwan Shock Shame, talk to me. Yeah, man. May I hear you?
Evelyn Ishmael.
Yeah, man. How you
Let
doing?
me tell you something about Liard.
Mm-hmm.
Liard never remember what they talk say yet.
So true. So true.
And guess I know Ishmael.
Mm-hmm.
You see? Sometimes some little things happen.
Mm-hmm.
But believe we know say people are listening from him from a distance. Donald Trump knows that they're wicked and lying. That is really why the article that air.
Continue, man. I'm listening to you.
Yeah, that is the reason why the article could end up in a newspaper.
Yes.
Because they not hide it from we.
Yes. But then,
and the man make it clear.
Mm-hmm.
Them we know say as so we go. So if an as oh she say,
Mm-hmm.
and an as oh in it pampas but the one say, and as them chat, oh go.
But then when Gleena brought the story, Gleena said an inside person said to them that this is what is going to happen, and that Audrey Marks is the one that initiated it. So how come she has said no she? So like when you're there, like Shock Shame, you come home from off of the road and you have like about 3 or 4 kids. One of them do something wrong and the 3 of them come and say, a Jane do this and Jane go say no she. Are that a go on, you know?
Yeah.
Are that a go on, you know?
In a circle. And nobody not blame them one another, but
so,
it still remain the fact.
Mm-hmm.
Something happen.
I think so. But then it begs the question, Shock Shame. Fishy decides she go say no she never said that to them. Will that not create a strain on the relationship between her as a diplomatic person and the diplomatic circles in the US?
Let me tell you something. She remember, you go dig it up on her Instagram and show out the show, you know.
Oh, you remember?
Yeah.
Yes,
let me tell you, me there every night.
Thank you.
For me signing, but I'm going to tell you something. You see them?
Mm-hmm.
Let me tell you something. Enough is enough now, you know.
I agree with you. I agree with you wholeheartedly.
You write on the wall right and now. Anything will happen, eh?
Yeah, man, I'm listening to you.
Anything where you see happen, other direction if you go. Me tell you something, everything will happen. Just it just go down in a wall, and then everybody go see. You see how that still a wall on?
Yeah.
Them shame and them know, but you see, I want sitting where they call me dieted. People them will on pan because enough of them cost and not like it.
Yeah.
But them still after just look funny say we after me party. Listen to me couldn't do like enough of them though. First and foremost, I was good for your them you have to go deal with.
Amen.
And me I tell you the direction where everything I go with all the China them. Because see China them now react, you know. But that the one day I go tell him to China them after so much trillions and millions of dollars where you owe. Where am I going to get money from for them? When he take millions of money, that he will jerk China the money we owe to it.
Okay. Shock Shame, somebody say I idiot them.
Oh, you mean? That is to show you say you want to lose.
Yeah.
You know, me I tell you, me wish. I swear to God.
Yeah.
I wish they no one them chip. You know when man look a baby do it up himself,
Mm-hmm.
you take out people like clothes off him to do the him.
Mm-hmm.
So me want to then chip him. Everything all our we are so far. And because nasty man I take it and I come tell you. Free that nobody want to make up in face.
This can't be a GB.
Me say, you ever seen it?
Oh, jiggy.
I'm gonna say yes, him afraid of Donald Trump.
Yeah.
We not afraid because have the army,
Yeah.
in militarize the army and the JBF
Yeah.
to fight against the native island.
Mhm.
Me like everything we are going with him. Me
Yeah.
love everything we are going with him in a class.
All right. Big up yourself, Shock Shame. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, Shock Shame. These people are getting really from bad to worse. Can you imagine, deep divers? The lady say she did not propose the deal. She say, I know she, but you don't worry yourself. This is Deeper Jamaica TV. We are going to get something to confirm that you, in fact, did. Since this is not enough, we are going to get something to confirm. You don't worry yourself. This is Deeper Jamaica. You don't worry. Deep divers want to know we operate over here. And it's just because she do that. Just because she do that. Let us get back to what we were talking about. Let us get back to it.